Hello everyone. It's almost Christmas and we came back home just now. I didn't want to miss the Christmas and holiday feel, so I thought of doing some last minute Christmas decor. I love minimal decor and I like repurposing things that I already have to achieve the festive feel. So today I'm going to use some things which are mostly free or very low cost. Theme I plan to do is more Christmas, white Christmas kind of a theme this time. So let's start. Adding fairy lights to anything instantly adds a festive feel to it. I'm adding some fairy lights here on these two wine glasses that I usually have in my kitchen or dining table. You can also add fairy lights to the plants that you already have at home. I am also using fairy lights to make this wall Christmas tree. These fairy lights that I have here are in copper wire and are moldable, so I can use it to make any shape that I want. I used some clip hooks here so that I can stick the fairy lights on the wall. Once the clips are done, I'll place the fairy lights in a zigzag kind of a manner to get that tree kind of a feel. You can use some ornaments, balls, star or bow as well to give it a more Christmassy look. Next, I'm gonna make a very quick and easy DIY Christmas tree. Here I am using a vase which I already had at home, and then I'm gonna use some greenery that I got from the garden. I love that even though it's not from pine tree, it's spiky and has the Christmassy feel to it. Now I will arrange them like this is in this vase. You can even add a Christmas ball or two to give it a minimal yet Christmas look. I also like this plant I keep on my study table. I love the spikes, so I'm hanging few Christmas balls on this one as well. Look how cute they look. I also added these branches I picked up from the garden in this old vase I had, and this gives such a Christmassy feel. I also added these branches I picked up from the garden, which are like few pine tree branches, and I just added them to my everyday minimal dining table centerpiece. I also had these two small miniature Christmas tree, and it also had the snow kind of a feel which suited my white Christmas theme, so I just put them here on my dining table. I love pine cones, and I found these pine cones right across the street. I just picked them up, washed them really well, and now I'm just gonna make them cinnamon scented. For this, I will add some cinnamon powder on it. You can even add cinnamon sticks, and that would also be great. And I'm just gonna bake them for 2 to 5 minutes in the oven. This is gonna give you an amazing cinnamon and Christmassy scent. Now for the quick dusted pine cone decor, I will use this glass bowl that I have. Usually I use it for eating popcorns, and I'm gonna put some salt in it to get that snow kind of a feel. Now I will place the pine cones and add some more salt on top of it. You can even add kosher salt or Himalayan salt if you want to add a little color or a pinkish color to it. On top of this layer of salt, I will add some tea light candles. These are the only ones I have at home, so I'm just going to use them. Tea light candles are my go-to candles in case of any last minute decor. Candles are a great way to add festive vibe to your home. Which brings me now to scented candles. I didn't have much time to get Christmas candles, but I had some vanilla and cinnamon scented ones, and lighting them is immediately gonna fill my home with yummy Christmas fragrance. If you don't like candles that much, you can use diffusers or room sprays, but definitely having a scent that reminds me of Christmas will make you feel great and set you in the holiday mood. I got this Christmas tree last minute from Google Shopping, same day delivery. I love the white tree with snowman topper. I did put some lights and ornament on it. For gifts, I've mostly kept the gifts that I've gotten from my close friends or people around me. Here, I have kept this cute little succulent that my friend Brenda gave me as a Christmas present. I love how creative and cute this is. She's actually put these live succulents in this eggshell. I also put these candy canes that my Uber driver gave me. These gifts kind of remind me of their cute gesture and blessings, which is always there. I got this wreath last minute from Google Shopping again, same day delivery. There's not much of a DIY that I've done here. Guys, these were my last minute minimal Christmas decor, and I didn't really do much here, but I still get the feel of Christmas. And please, please, please don't forget the Christmas carols. You have to play it or sing it or do whatever you can. Or you can even ask Alexa or Google Home and they can sing it for you. But don't miss the music. I wish you and your family good health and happiness. Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Alexa, sing Jingle Bells.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells.